info deals with are carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids. Carbohydrates make a group of chemical components found in plants and animal cells. Proteins are important components of food. Every cell requires proteins for structure and functioning. Lipids are the ones we use for flavor, to cook food, and to improve the texture.
Chlorine gas is a yellowish, greenish cloud that smells like bleach, and it affects the nose, the eye, the throat, the lungs, etc. Phosgene is just like chlorine gas, but it smells like moldy hay, and it affects it 6 times more. Mustard gas its effects are way slower, and it creates blisters in your skins, mostly the areas that are moist, and if it pops, the area might get infected. Nuclear bombs is derived from the splitting or combining of nucleic atoms, and hydrogen bomb is a way more powerful version of the nuclear bomb that is derived from the explosive energy from thermonuclear fusion of hydrogen isotopes.
Chemistry and global warming. Scientific assessments have clearly demonstrated that the Earth's climate is changing in response to warming atmospheric borders of greenhouse gases.
Some examples of this is the carbon dioxide, nitrous dioxide, and methane. People around the world are not conscious about this phenomenon that we are causing for having comfortabilities. The Earth's climate is the product of highly dynamic interactions among physical and biological processes occurring in the atmosphere. The main causes of global warming are the increased concentration of gases, and this causes the debility of the ozone layer, and polar caps are reducing, and the amount of water in the ocean is growing.
Chemistry is really important to medicine. It has helped researchers to investigate new ways to fight illnesses and not harming the human body. Thanks to chemistry, we have therapies such as chemotherapy, which is a commonly used method to fight cancer.
The 3 possible solutions to solve the problem of the melting ice caps can be planting more trees instead of cutting them, because we all know the more trees we have, the more oxygen we'll receive. Also, recycling, because recycling will cause less trash. And also, don't burning the trash, because that will cause pollution.
Our team's conclusion is that even though there is a modern feeling that artificial chemicals are bad, it has saved billions of lives, increased human productivity, and completely changed the way we live. Chemistry has contributed in all of our lifestyle, but it turns out that most people don't know how chemistry has contributed to the modern world. So, what does chemistry has brought? Well, it has brought many technological, medical, and electrical advances, such as the discovery of penicillin, the invention of fertilizers, as well as polythene, from which many of the plastics or objects we use today are made of.